Now let's examine the final part of our text transformation. Here in the same line of code, we've got that dot title that I mentioned we would go over in this lesson. The dot title method capitalizes the first letter of every word in a string, creating professional, properly formatted text. So you see it in book titles, scientific publications, formal documents. If we look at this entire line here where we've got replace and then we've chained that with dot notation to title, the transformation starts with Klein underscore bottle underscore 4D, for example, the technical variable name. After replace, it becomes Klein space bottle space 4D with those spaces added and those underscores removed. And then it hits title and it becomes uppercase K, lowercase for the rest of the word Klein. Same thing for bottle. 4D stays just 4D because there's no letter to capitalize there as a first letter. The title method works systematically, finding every word boundary and capitalizing the first letter of each word. And like I mentioned, it's method chaining. We're using multiple string methods in sequence. Python executes these from left to right, with each method working on the result of the previous method. Method chaining is powerful because it lets you perform complete text transformations in one elegant line instead of having to put it all in separate lines of code. It creates publication quality displays from raw data.